Oh, jeez.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I was going fast.
You were going pretty fast.
I like to go fast. Whoa. Callie, I'm telling you something. Callie, I'm telling you something.
You gonna tell Callie something?
Huh? Boom! And my smash. Is the ant? Yeah. You have to be careful. You're going to crack your head. I know it's crack my head. No. Callie, wait to me.
Whoa.
I'm coming to help you. That's good.
Good turn, good turn. Okay, watch out for Callie, Jackson. Ooh, you ran that over. Ooh, he's doing a trick, he's doing a trick.
Callie, look out. I didn't get hurt. He's right in there. I'm fine safe. What, Daddy, what?
Okay, I'm watching. What? You can throw better than that.
Somewhere. The fence is better than us. That's it. Hey!
Okay, Jackson, here's the dog. We gotta go.
Let's go for the bike. That's a bounce. Come on.
It's not a bouncy ball.
Let me back at us.
Jackson, let's go. Get on your bike. Let's go, Jackson.
For the dog box up. Come on. Come on.
Listen to Callie. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Too fast, Bubba.
Come on. Okay.
Careful, watch out for Callie. Turn.
We're not going to back up Papa's house.
Yeah, we are.
I don't want to.
Let's go get your bike. It'll be better.